Now, dental surgeons are the latest group of public sector workers to protest their proposed salaries under the new compensation package. They took to the streets this morning. Jamaica Maitland reports.
Dental surgeons outside the office of the Ministry of Finance and Public Service Wednesday morning. They're protesting following a breakdown in negotiations under the new compensation regime. We spoke to President of the Union of Clerical, Administrative and Supervisory Employees UK's Vincent Morrison outside the Transformation Implementation Unit, where the group first demonstrated at 9 a.m.
We can't have a situation where dental auxiliaries are being paid in the same bandwidth as dental surgeons. Okay. It don't make sense. Then the issue of the cost for traveling for the dentist.
According to the group, the demands pointed out in an October 9 letter could not be met by the Ministry of Finance, and since then, there has been no more dialogue. Dr. Vanessa Kiffin of the Dental Surgeons Association says the healthcare workers are discouraged. And in a twist of the government's own words,
our political directorate is paid the highest, and in the region for dental surgeons, public dental surgeons, we're being paid the least. So we need that to be addressed because we do want to attract the best and the brightest minds for the Jamaican people.
And from the TIU of Constant Spring Road to the Ministry of Finance here at Hero Circle, the dental surgeons say they're taking their protest to the steps of the government. And they're asking for a livable wage and a working environment that are at least on par with the years of education and training they receive. And seemingly, the motorists and commuters are in agreement with them.
You have to spend upwards of $30 million, Jamaican dollars, in this country to become a dentist. And the compensation that we're getting now and what is proposed cannot cover those student loan costs.
The opposition's junior shadow spokesperson for Health and Wellness, Jesse James Clark, is urging the Finance Ministry to quickly address the issue to reduce the inconvenience on the public. The dental surgeons who are assigned to different public health centers across the island would have called out of work for the day.
It's very disappointing that every time a particular health group has any kind of issue, they have to demonstrate first before the government responds to them. The public has to be inconvenienced before the government responds to them. And we are calling on the government and the Minister of Finance and also the Minister of Health to intervene so that they can get back to work.
For the healthcare workers, however, the next stop is to the Ministry of Health and Wellness in New Kingston before going back to work. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.